Hello, how are you?
Read my shit the fuck up.
You got your ID on you?
How old do I look? 12?
Yeah, you actually do. Itty bitty titty committee?
I want to know more details. Let's go. Mama! Wait, hold on. Oh, he better pick up. Why did you pick up my call? No, Mom. I was in the middle of going viral. I'm going viral. You better hope so, because if it don't, it's me and you. Y'all, help!
Baby!
Ma'am?
Pass me the remote!
Yes, sure, Mom. Thanks, sugar.
Baby!
Ma'am?
I think that trash need to go out.
Finally!
Baby!
Ma'am!
My son wanted me to buy him a bunny. I said, sure, if you can prove to me that you'll clean up after him. So I took a box of Cocoa Puffs and I put them all around the house. He cleaned them up. I bought the bunny. He didn't know. He kept eating the Cocoa Puffs. He's like, Dad, I think these Cocoa Puffs have gone stale. Long story short, my kid eats shit, y'all.
There's a new virus going around. It's called feelings. Don't catch that shit. You'll be left sitting alone on your bed until 3 a.m. in the morning crying to yourself as you eat popcorn dipped in malaria marmalade. Did I just say malaria? That's illegal.
Hey, ooh, what you eating? Give me some. What? Oh, that should look good. What is that? This is just a dry ass biscuit. Bruh, did you say it was a dry ass biscuit? Because it's dry. Like what? Oh, no. Why did you put the emphasis on ass? You said it's a dry ass biscuit, not a dry ass biscuit. What? It literally means the same thing. 100% absolutely does not mean the same thing. Go ahead, explain this to me since you so damn offended because I'm eating my dry ass biscuit. Stop. Okay, look, one way, you have a very extra dry biscuit, right? Dry ass biscuit, right? No, see, you doing it again. That's like you saying dry ass biscuit. It's dry ass biscuit. Okay, but like, what's the difference though? Okay, let me give you another example. My uncle came with me to the store versus my uncle came with me to the store. I don't see the difference. Your uncle's still coming, right? That was a horrible choice of words, but that's not the point. So say your grandma makes some juice and you drank it. You say, I drank grandma's juice. Right, I drank grandma's juice. No, the way you said that makes it sound like you diddling your grandma.
The kill switch, JoJo, pose, JoJo, pose, JoJo, pose, JoJo, pose.
Welcome to the Saltiest Platoon. How tough are you? How tough am I? How tough am I? I went to bed last night. So did I. What's your point? With my feet hanging off the bed. You're not afraid of demons grabbing you? Nope. That's tough. Right this way, sir.
I'm really high, I could do this.
Someone I'm a doom, you assuming I'm a human. What I gotta do to get it through to you? I'm superhuman, innovative, and I made a rubber so they.
Oh my god, I can't wait for us to sleep together. Oh my good god almighty motherfucker. I can't sleep with you. I got a boyfriend.
I told you, girl, I'm done with you.
Is it because of my hair? No, it's because you a slut.
All you gotta do is
Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. You know you wanna fuck?
I wouldn't fuck with you like I was the first letter of the alphabet, bitch nigga.
Alright, I ain't checked your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter, even your MySpace page, and nobody gives a shit what you write except you.
Fuck! What's wrong, nigga? Did your bitch do this to your head when you was eating the booty? Oh, shit! He did, my boy.
Huh? You keep sucking like that, you gonna make me come all over your face? Oh.
To support cheetah conservation. It's like the fast and the friendliest. In any kind of weather, it's raining cats and dogs with a lab and a predator. Maybe you should never play cards with a cheetah, but when Bowie's there with Nandi, you should really try to meet him, because wildebeest and ostriches will say cheetahs.
Confusing the female gender, part 2.
You calling for some wheels? I'm Johnny on the spot. I'll hook you up. I'll bring it by.
Listen, everybody wants to pick on the anime kid, but as soon as he starts hitting you with the comment, you don't know if he can do it or not. You suspect that he can't, but as soon as that motherfucker actually hits you with the laser beam, what you gonna do? No, you can't read that shit. He gonna hit you and be like...
I do not want to be here. Pop quiz, bitches. Find the letter that begins with C. Oh, that one's easy. That wasn't a real question. Find the square root. Find it. Where is it at? Figure it out. I don't know. I know where that is. Woo! This isn't even a math class. Number 3. Ben Franklin. True or false? Definitely beans. What the fuck is going on? Beans. Beans. Beans.
Men are stupid. Story time. I care about my friend's pride, so I'm gonna protect his identity. So we gonna call him Joseph. One day, Joseph went to the beach with his ex-girlfriend. It was an absolutely beautiful day, and Joseph is a very, very nice guy. So he looked over at his girlfriend and was like, "Oh, hey baby, you want me to run some sunscreen on you so you don't get no sunburn? Because I'm such a nice and caring guy." His girlfriend was like, "I appreciate you, babe. Make sure you get every spot. Thank you." Joseph put all the sunscreen on and made sure he covered every square foot of her body. She thanked him, gave him a kiss, and it was like, "Hey babe, I want to go for a walk. It's such a beautiful day. All these people out." Now Joseph, being a nice caring guy he was like, "Yeah babe, anything you want, let's go do it." But as his girlfriend stood up, he noticed it was a string hanging from her bikini. So I went to grab it, or he went to grab it because he didn't want her to like be embarrassed. He was like, "Hey babe, let me grab that for you." Yoink! Turns out it was not a string, it was a tampon. And that doesn't change the fact that Joseph is still a very nice guy. He just made a mistake.
Man, fuck them kids, bro.
To all the ladies in the world that complain about shaving your legs. Are you kidding me? It's literally the easiest thing you could shave on your body. It's a giant smooth target. Have you ever had to shave an upper lip before? A jawline?
Yo, man, there's a lot of brothers out there flaking and perpetrating, scared to kick reality. Yo, man, there's a lot of brothers out there flaking and perpetrating, scared to kick reality.
Get the ghetto. Get the get. Get the get. Get the ghetto. Load it up. Get the ghetto. Load it up. Get the ghetto. Get the get. Get the get. Till the third wall pops it. Till the third wall pops it. Get the get. Till the 10th wall pops it. Till the 10th wall pops it. Get the get. Till the 12th wall pops it. Till the 12th wall pops it. Get the get. Till the 13th pops it. Till the...
Oh, who are
with you?
Bro, it's me. I'm trying to log in.
Nah, I can't let you win. This Jeff computer. You not Jeff.
Come on, bro. I'm Jeff.
Nah, man. Jeff wouldn't wear them shoes. That's a new device. I don't recognize it.
Bro, I bought these shoes on Amazon. You got the notification.
All right, I'll let you win if you answer these 2 security questions.
What's the security question?
Question number 1. What did your mama first say when you were born?
She said, "God damn, my son got a big ass head."
Alright, that's the right answer. Plus, you do got a big head. You kind of look like Jeff. But I don't know. I don't recognize you. Question number 2. If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
When did I even make this account?
You were 12 when you made this.
Invisibility.
Okay, that's the right answer, but why?
Cause I was trying to get in the girls' locker room because I had forgot my homework in there, and I wasn't gonna look though. I was just gonna get the homework and then leave because it had slipped under the door.
Get your little nasty ass in here. Go ahead, come on.
Alright, I got a question, right? Yo, what's up, Mo? Dap me up, bro. Dap me up. Alright, cool. Yo, so am I like the top piece of bread or something? Because nobody fucking loves me!
You're perfect.
You're perfect.
We'll see you upstairs. Bye, Johnny.
So, seems like you and Alicia are doing well. Annoyingly so, in fact.
Yeah, I'm a lucky guy.
Yeah, you are. Question for you, though. How do you guys,
That's none of your business.
Okay, all right, I'm just concerned. I hate to wake up one morning and find out she was killed in a rock slide.
I'll show you a rock slide.
These niggas fucking enemies. Bite. Hey, the beat go off? Hey. Hey, I up it, then my heat go off? Bite.
Now, Ms. Johnson, the reason why I brought you here today is because your son has been using very vulgar language. I'm extremely disappointed. I didn't mean to, I'm sorry. So what is it that he said? Yes, I got it written down in my notes. So instead of doing the homework assignment on cross multiplying, he went to the basketball court in the gym and simply asked, and I quote, "Which one of you niggas is named Multiply?" Why are you mad at me? He told me to cross multiply.
Oh, fucking sick, they got sheep here. You're fucking cute. Never fucking mind. I'm gonna go see the dolphins. God, I love dolphins. Oh, it's doing a little tail thing. What kind of fucking zoo is? Wait. Shit. Refreshing.
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog. Scoo doo doo, scoo doo 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 doo.
Eric, what are you doing? What are you doing?
Don't do that.
He's trash.
John, you're home? Funny. Alright, I have a joke for you, Mom. 3 guys are going skiing and they can only find a 1-bedroom cabin, so they all decide to sleep in the same bed. The next morning, they wake up and the guy on the right goes, I had a weirdest dream. I got a hand job last night. The guy on the left goes, wow, that's so weird. Me too. The guy in the middle goes, that's really weird. I had this dream I was skiing last night.
That's the oldest goddamn joke ever.